Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by launching the browser you use daily. Make sure other windows are closed so your profile won't mix sessions. Once open, press the keyboard shortcut or click the menu to open a private window. For example, Ctrl+Shift+N in Chrome and Edge, or Ctrl+Shift+P in Firefox. You do this because Incognito isolates local history and cookies from your normal profile, which helps during testing or private searches without leaving traces on that device. Once the private window is open, use it like a regular tab session but with a key difference. Cookies and browsing history aren't stored after you close it. You can sign into accounts when needed, but remember those logins won't be saved long-term on the device. Also, check extensions. Browsers often disable them in private mode. Enable only trusted ones. Make sure to save files to a known folder, because downloaded files and bookmarks remain on disk even after you exit. To finish, close every private window to trigger the browser's cleanup of session cookies and temporary data. Then verify by opening a normal window and checking history and recent tabs. You should not see the private session. If something persists, make sure you actually closed all incognito windows and then clear the regular cache. Sometimes extensions or enabled sync can reintroduce data. If pages won't load, enable needed extensions in private mode or restart the browser and try again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.